What we do is we are responsible for providing motion sensing information, which of course is incredibly relevant to the markets here today, when things like ROVs need to know precisely how they're positioned in the water. We make ship-level gyroscopes and accelerometers. Gyroscopes sense rotational motion, accelerometers sense linear motion. And mathematically, if you couple together those pair of products, completely defines how you are moving in 3D space. So this is our premier product. It's the DMU30 inertial measurement unit. It has the performance of the much more expensive and larger fiber optic gyro-based systems, and yet is capable of doing the same level of navigation. And then sitting alongside that, for people who are looking for a low-cost, high-volume product, if we compare the size of these two, we have in this hand something which is suitable for small stabilization systems, for products deployed in high volumes. And I think it's interesting to recognize that we are not just based in the marine sector. We operate over all market sectors that need motion sensing information. Operating out of Plymouth, we have a close allegiance with the maritime markets, and 2020, in 2 years' time, is a very exciting time for the city. It's the 400th anniversary of the voyage of the Mayflower with the Pilgrims on board from Plymouth, England to Plymouth, Massachusetts. And as part of a major initiative to celebrate that Mayflower date, there's a company or a consortium which is building an autonomous ship called the Mayflower Autonomous Ship, MAS 400, which is going to recreate that voyage, but without a captain, without anybody on board, an autonomous vehicle of a completely new type that will use latest technology. It will drive that ship from Plymouth to Plymouth, US, and then afterwards that ship will continue as a research vessel around the world, demonstrating the principles of automation and also looking at the environmental aspects that surround all of that. Well, I'm an ex-engineer. A lot of the people in our business are ex-engineers, and I think what I like is working with the latest technology and actually working closely with customers who appreciate and need that latest technology. That's a good question. I think enthusiasm, technical knowledge for sure, but that comes from university education, but enthusiasm for building something for the market which makes a difference.